Hi, welcome to Beverley Minster. Not been on for a while, but we've been busy making panels for window N5 in the Minster, and we're just at the present moment in time soldering up some panels. As you can see, very time consuming but very fulfilling at the same time. And what to make to show you, you get a nice strong joint like that, and then you get these little local joints in the sides. Well, that's not a problem. I'll just get in there, make sure it's nice and clean. Some solder on there, a nice joint going, a bit of heat on it, a bit more on there I think, not a problem. There you go. So have a nice day, see you later, bye.